Hello guys, welcome back. In front of me I have a Huawei Watch GT3 Pro, and I'll show you how to pair this watch with an iPhone. First, turn on the watch by pressing and holding the upper crown button until you see the Huawei logo. Once the logo appears, release the button and wait. Select your language from the list by swiping and tapping on it. You'll need to download and install the Huawei Health app from the App Store on your iPhone. Tap Search, type in Huawei Health, and tap Get to install. Open the app and allow the required Bluetooth permission and optionally allow notifications and location. On the Health Access page, allow permissions for the health features. Once on the main page, tap the devices icon, add a device, select smartwatch, and find the Huawei Watch GT3 series. Minimize the app, open iPhone settings, go to Bluetooth and wait for the watch to appear on the list. Tap on the watch and confirm the pairing with the check mark on the watch. Go back to the Huawei Health app, tap Completed, then Next, and select the watch again. Tap Pair and allow any additional permissions. Once pairing is successful, the watch will appear on the list of connected devices. That's how you pair this watch with an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.